This Century 21 Quad J Realty property video is presented by Ymke. Calling 55-year and older buyers to build your new home in this small gated community with yard maintenance included. Nice level lot and cul-de-sac. Very attractive homes as neighbors. In city limits and minutes away from main roads, shops, golf course and medical facilities. At this great price you can include more luxuries in your new home. Minimum size home must be 1,350 square feet. For more information, review the details below or contact Ymke at 254-221-8505.